Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to set a sleep timer on Spotify. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So if you guys are like me who loves to listen to podcasts or audiobooks at night while we are at sleep, then you guys also face the same problem as me, because I have to wake up at middle of the night and then turn off my audiobook or the podcast which I am playing. But in Spotify there is an option where you can set a timer in any audio or songs or podcast that you like. So with the help of timer, we don't have to wake up at middle of the night to turn off the music. If you guys face the same problem as me, then follow this step to set a timer on Spotify. So now let me show you guys how you can turn on sleep timer on Spotify. So the first thing that you guys are gonna do is click on the song or audiobook or podcast that you like, and then click on three dot icon over here and then scroll down until you see sleep timer. So once you have found it, click on sleep timer, and then there is an option for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or even a 1 hour. So you can choose from 5 minutes to 1 hour. So let me choose for 1 hour. So now I have the sleep timer set for 1 hour. That means after I play my audio or podcast, which is 2 or 3 hours long, the podcast will automatically shut off after 1 hour. Now in that way, your sleep will also not be disturbed and you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night to turn off your podcast. So now let's say you want to turn off these settings. What you guys want to do is click on this three dot icon over here and then again click on sleep timer and then select turn off timer. So in that way you can turn off and on your sleep timer of any podcast or audios that you like. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.